Hi there, this is Victoria. I'm going to show you how to organize your stories files in folders within Squibler. So we're going to start with a template. I'm going to select a general nonfiction novel. And from there, Squibler is just going to provide us with the typical structure for this sort of novel. So from here, we have chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4, right after the dedication and copyright. So I'm going to start by renaming chapter 1. I'm going to call it Futures Echo. And then we can add files within this chapter. So that's just based on what you want the book to look like. So I went ahead and renamed a few of our files in chapter 2 as well. So you can just do the same. I'm also going to show you an example from Screenplay, just so you can take a look at the structure. So note that here, instead of chapters, we have the screenplay divided by acts, which just makes it easier for you to create your screenplay on top of this structure. So note that you can also share specific acts or specific files from your work directly with people just by adding their emails here. So let's say, and then you can share, allow them viewer access, allow them to comment or to edit, which is helpful when you need someone to review part of your work or to work with you just in collaboration. Now, if you're creating a project from scratch, the process is very similar, except that you're going to have to create your folders from scratch. Here, you can just go to these 3 dots and add files and folders, and they're just gonna stack up down here on this left menu as well. If you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. All the best.